Hey, Bridge. What happened today? Did you punch Mommy? Do you feel bad? Are you sorry you punched me? Are you sorry? Not really. Bridget. Oh, you are sorry. Good. Thank you. Did you make Mommy's nose? Yeah. Did you make my nose bleed? Yeah. You're awfully tough. Are you a tough cookie? Are you tough? Bridget, are you a tough girl?